Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to set up an eSIM on your Galaxy A37 5G. So let's begin the video. Before you begin to activate the eSIM, make sure you have a QR code or the activation code ready. You can get this by contacting your service provider or through your mobile app. Also, ensure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Now, the first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings, then tap on connections and then select SIM manager. You will see an option that say add eSIM. Tap on that, and if you have a passcode enabled, enter it. Now you will have few options here. Scan QR code is the most common method. Simply bring the QR code from your carrier into the camera frame and it will activate the eSIM. If you don't have a QR code, tap enter activation code at the bottom to type it manually. Once the code is detected, tap add and it will give you few seconds to register with your carrier. You can actually add multiple eSIM to the Galaxy A37 5G by following the same process. Again, this is perfect for travelers who wanted to keep a local data plan ready to go. Even though you can store multiple eSIMs, only 2 SIMs can be activated at the same time. This can be one physical SIM, one eSIM or 2 eSIM or 2 physical SIMs. You cannot use 3 SIMs simultaneously even though if your phone have dual physical slot. To manage this, stay in the SIM manager menu. Here you can toggle which SIM can activate and assign which one you wanted to use for calls, messaging and mobile data. So guys, basically this is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.